Jibin Varsha Singh from Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University, Department of Science and Technology, Fundamental of Education and Methodology. In today's session, we will cover the land topology and WAN topology. So, what is land topology? Land topology is described in two ways, physical and logical. Physical describes the geometric arrangement of the components that make up the LAN, and logical means describe the possible connection between the pairs of network endpoint that can communicate. So LAN topology is your bus topology, star topology, ring, switched, daisy chain hierarchies. These are your LAN topology. So bus topology is all network nodes are interconnected peer-to-peer using a single open-ended cable. Both ends of the bus must be terminated with a terminating resistor to prevent signal bounce. So see, this is the bus topology, how it is arranged through the bus. Okay. What is the advantage of bus topology? It is easy to implement and extend. It well suited for temporary network that must be set up in a hurry, typically the least cheapest topology to implement, and failure of one station does not affect others. But there is some disadvantage of this topology: difficult to administer, troubleshoot, limited cable length and number of stations. A cable breaks can disable the entire network. No redundancy. Maintenance cost may be higher in run. Performance degrades as additional computers are added. What is ring topology? Ring topology is started out as a simple peer-to-peer LAN topology. Each network workstation had two connections, one to each of its nearest neighbors. Data was transmitted unidirectionally around the ring, sending and receiving of data tokens placed by the help of token. Token passing क्या होता है? So token contains a piece of information about the another computer and the computer which is sending the data, and this token then passes to the next node which checks if the signal is intended to it. अगर वो सिग्नल उसके कंप्यूटर के लिए है तो वो एक्सेप्ट करेगा, अदरवाइज ये पास हो जाएगा. So see, this is the ring topology. What is the advantage of ring topology? This topology is very organized. Performance is better than the bus topology. No need for network server to control the connectivity between the workstation. Each computer has equal access to resources. But there is some disadvantages also. Each packet of data must pass through all the computers between source and destination, slower than the star topology. If one workstation or port goes down, the entire network gets affected. Network is highly dependent on the wire which connects different components. What is a star topology? Star topology have connection to network devices that radiate out from a common point. Each network device in a star topology can access the media independently. It becomes the dominant topology type in contemporary LANs. See, this is the star topology. In the center we have hub and इसमें पोर्ट होते हैं जो कि इन जितने भी कंप्यूटर्स को है वो कनेक्ट करके रखता है. ओके. यहाँ एडवांटेज ये होता है हमें कि ये इजी टू कनेक्ट होता है और फेलियर ऑफ वन नोड्स और लिंक डज नॉट इफेक्ट द रेस्ट ऑफ द नेटवर्क. Centralized management, it helps in monitoring the network, easy to connect in new nodes or devices. Okay, but there is some disadvantage. If central device fails, whose network goes down. The use of hub or router or switch as central device increase the overall cost of the network. Performance as well as number of nodes which can be added in such topology is dependent on capacity of central devices. Okay. And so this is the main topology in our LAN network. So this is all about this session. I hope you will try to understand this topic. And this digital session version 2.0 provided by Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. Thank you.